Unveiling the magic of a rainbow connection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and intriguing phrase, a rainbow connection. This expression is not just visually vivid but also rich in meaning and usage. So, let's embark on this colorful journey together and discover what lies at the end of this linguistic rainbow. The phrase, a rainbow connection, first gained popularity from the song of the same name, performed by Kermit the Frog in the Muppet movie, 1979. Written by Paul Williams and Kenneth Asher, this song has charmed audiences for generations with its hopeful message and whimsical tune. However, the phrase has transcended its original context to embody a sense of hope, dreams, and the ineffable connections that bind us all. A rainbow connection can be dissected into two key components: rainbow and connection. A rainbow, a natural phenomenon known for its beauty and the symbol of hope and promise. Think of the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, represents dreams and aspirations. Connection refers to the bonds or relationships among people, ideas, or places. Together, a rainbow connection suggests a special, almost magical link that brings people together through shared hopes and dreams. This phrase is often used metaphorically to speak about moments or experiences that bring people together in a meaningful, almost predestined way. It can be used to describe relationships, events, or feelings that seem to bridge the gap between the ordinary and the extraordinary. For example, their friendship was like a rainbow connection, born from a shared love of music and art. The concert felt like a rainbow connection, uniting people from all walks of life. Beyond its literal meaning, a rainbow connection has left a significant mark on popular culture, symbolizing the pursuit of dreams against all odds. It encourages listeners to find and cherish the connections that make life meaningful, regardless of how unlikely or fantastical they may seem. This phrase teaches us to look beyond the surface and find beauty and unity in the world around us. A rainbow connection is more than just a phrase. It's a reminder of the beauty in life and the power of dreams. It encourages us to seek out those magical connections that uplift and unite us. We hope this exploration has added a splash of color to your day and inspired you to find your own rainbow connections. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the English language is a treasure trove of expressions just waiting to be discovered. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and see you in the next video.